Hey everybody, welcome to another build series. Today we're talking about the B74.1d. This car just came out, so I'm really excited to dig into it, check out the changes, and compare and contrast with was in the B74. I'm going to be running this car on a clay dirt track, so we're going to be setting it up for that. It will be a 13.5 stock class car, so we will add a few more lightweight items to it later on in the build series and show you the benefits of that. So let's go ahead and crack open the box and see what we've got. So you can see this is the side of it. They changed how they design the boxes now. Instead of having two separate boxes, what they do is just put a barcode on the box that your car is. So there's no barcode here. That's the carpet car, and this is the dirt car. So they show a little bit of what's going on as far as new technology in the car, or just features in the car. And of course they give a lot of detail on the back to show the differences between the two. So let's crack the seals open and see what's inside. Okay, so following the tradition of most cars from Associated nowadays, there are no wheels. There is a fairly nice body on this car. It's a lightweight body and one wing included. So one thing I'm looking for right out of the gate is the shock towers, because I've seen some stuff online that some folks were getting shock towers that didn't have their holes drilled correctly in them. So keeping an eye on that. This is a bag for shocks, turnbuckles, arms, more arms. And the car comes out of the box with a center gear differential. And there we go. Here's my shock towers. And it looks like they have all their holes. So good. Here's what the chassis looks like. And the manual, they give you the shock tool, some Velcro, some stickers, double-sided tape, and they give you a tiny tube of 200K. That's for the center differential, and it looks like a tiny bottle of 10K fluid for the differentials front and rear. Okay, that's what you get in the box with the new B74.1d, and go ahead and start working on assembling the car and take a lot of photos and show you some steps along the way. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.